world where farming is becoming increasingly sophisticated, the agrochemical tank market stands as a critical linchpin of modern agriculture. But here's where it gets controversial. While these tanks are often seen as simple storage units, their role in shaping safer, more efficient farming practices is far more complex than many realize. Let's dive into the story behind this $2.4 billion industry, its drivers, challenges, and the surprising connections it has with the organic spices market. The agrochemical tank revolution. The global agrochemical tank market is projected to grow from $1.5 billion in 2024 to $2.4 billion by 2034, with a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.6% between 2025 and 2034. North America leads the pack, capturing 43.9% of the market with a valuation of $600 million. These tanks aren't just containers. They're engineered systems designed to safely store, mix, and apply pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Their materials resist corrosion and chemical reactions, ensuring that even the most potent agrochemicals are handled with precision. As precision agriculture becomes the norm, the demand for these specialized tanks is only going to rise. The organic spice connection. While the agrochemical tank market focuses on farm inputs, the organic spices and herbs sector offers a fascinating parallel. This market thrives on naturally grown, chemical-free seasonings like turmeric, cumin, and oregano. Rising consumer preference for clean label foods and the health benefits of organic consumption are fueling growth. For instance, the global turmeric market is expanding rapidly, driven by its popularity in both culinary and wellness sectors. Meanwhile, agrochemical tanks play a silent but vital role in supporting this trend by ensuring that even organic farming practices rely on safe, efficient chemical management systems. Investor interest in sustainable solutions. The agrochemical industry isn't just about crops. It's also about innovation. Recent funding activities highlight this. Arbuda Agrochemicals raised $64 million via an IPO to repay debt and build a new ALP production line. Similarly, Kotak Fund invested $45 million in Cropnosis, a company working on sustainable agrochemical solutions. These investments underscore a broader shift toward eco-friendly agricultural practices. Even the Global Environment Facility approved $68 million for agri-food system innovations, signaling that the future of farming is tied to both profitability and planetary health. Controversy in the industry. But here's the part most people miss. The agrochemical tank market isn't without its challenges. High upfront costs for durable tanks limit adoption, especially for small-scale farmers. While these tanks offer long-term savings, the immediate financial burden can be a barrier. Is the industry doing enough to make these solutions affordable? Or are we simply chasing short-term gains at the expense of long-term sustainability? The big picture. When you look at the bigger picture, the agrochemical tank market and the organic spices sector are two sides of the same coin. Both are driven by consumer demand for safer, healthier food and more efficient farming practices. Yet the path to achieving this vision is fraught with complexities. Are we investing enough in infrastructure that supports both? Can the industry balance profit with purpose without compromising either? A call for discussion. As we move forward, one question lingers. Will the agrochemical tank market continue to evolve in ways that align with the needs of both farmers and consumers? Or will we be left with a system that prioritizes efficiency over equity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the future of agrochemical storage looks like? Key takeaways. Vertical tanks dominate the market with 38.3% of the share due to their efficient design. Tanks under 30,000 liters lead with 38.6%, catering to small to medium-scale operations. Water storage tanks hold the largest share at 41.9%, driven by irrigation needs. North America's 43.9% market share reflects its leadership in agrochemical storage solutions. Final thought. The agrochemical tank market is more than just a numbers game. It's a reflection of our collective commitment to feeding a growing population while protecting the planet. As we navigate this complex landscape, let's remember that the right tools, like durable, innovative tanks, are essential to achieving both goals. What will you do to support this mission?